These earrings are so pretty. I can't wait to show you how to make them. These cluster earrings are so pretty. I've got an assortment of different kinds of gemstones. I've got peridot, cherry quartz, watermelon tourmaline. I've got some gold, amethyst. Let's get started making these. We're going to need some supplies and tools. The gemstones that I'm using are all 4mm, and they're shades of green, pink, white, and purple. So it's purple amethyst, green peridot, cherry quartz, and watermelon tourmaline. And the bars are little Miyuki bugle beads. So there's 18. You're going to need some headpins, 2-inch headpins, leverback, little spacer bead for the top. This Smokey quartz is drilled from top to bottom, and I'm going to use it with a 3-inch headpin. And we'll need the standard tools: chain nose pliers, flush cutters, bent chain nose pliers, and round nose pliers. Start by putting our 3-inch headpin through our Smokey quartz. The size of this gemstone is 15 by 10, and it's drilled from top to bottom. So let's set this aside, and now we're going to start wire wrapping. I've already done the amethyst. I did 1 watermelon tourmaline and 1 Miyuki bugle bead. So let's get started on the rest. We're going to start with our Miyuki bugle bead. Slide that on. Come in with our chain nose pliers. Pinch the top down. Bring the wire to the back. Come in with our round nose pliers. We're going to come up, over, down. Rotate our pliers so they're stacked one on top of the other. Bring the wire to the back. We're going to pinch down our loop with our chain nose pliers. Come in with our bent chain nose pliers and wrap around. Then we're going to cut off the excess. And pinch down our burr. With these bugle beads, they are glass, so you have to be careful when you're pinching your burr down that you don't get too close to the edge and shatter the glass. That has happened. And then you'll have shattered glass all over your table. So there's one down. I'm going to do the watermelon tourmaline next. Same way, I'm going to wrap it by putting my pliers on the top, bringing the wire to the back, coming in with my round nose pliers, coming up, over, down, rotate my pliers, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to hang on to the loop and wire wrap this around. Now I'm going to cut and pinch down. I'm going to finish wire wrapping these, and then I'll meet you back here and we'll do the cherry quartz and the peridot. Okay, let's get started making our simple loop. We're going to put our little cherry quartz down, bring the wire to the back so it's a 90-degree angle. We're going to cut 1 centimeter and then we're going to roll the wire towards us, towards me, adjusting our pliers as we roll. Let's do one more and then I'll meet you back here. Bring the peridot down, fingernail on the top, bring the wire to the back, cut, come in with my round nose pliers and roll the wire towards me, adjusting my pliers as I go. Okay, I'm going to finish the rest and then I will meet you back here. Okay, I'm going to do a little recap of the gemstones. Watermelon tourmaline, there's 3 of them, and I wire wrap them. Amethyst, 3 of them, they're wire wrapped. I've got the Miyuki bugle beads, and I wire wrap these, there's 4 of them. I've got cherry quartz, these are simple looped. And I've got peridot, and these are also simple looped. And then I've got my 3-inch headpin through my Smokey quartz. Okay, now what we're going to do is start stacking. So it can go in any order that you like. I'm starting with amethyst. I'm going to do a cherry quartz, watermelon tourmaline, and after the 3rd one, I'm going to put a bugle bead. Then I'm going to put peridot, cherry quartz, amethyst, and that's number 3, and a bugle bead. I've got watermelon tourmaline, amethyst, cherry quartz, and a bugle bead. And I'm just going to continue on until I finish stacking all of my beads. And there's our beautiful cluster. See if I can get the camera in focus. There we go. And I'm going to take my spacer bead, put that on the top, and I'm going to wire wrap the top. So let's shake it down. Pinch the top of the bead, bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, bring the wire to the back. I'm going to pinch my loop down and I'm going to wire wrap the top. Cut off my excess wire. And pinch down my burr. To open the lever back, I'm going to use my chain nose pliers, and I'm going to gently turn it to the left. I'm going to slide on my earring, turn it back to the right, and give it a pinch to secure it. And there we have our pretty cluster earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.